Technically, you are sufficient. The real winning is about to live our life without anyone to be like they are seeing ourselves that we are happy. This is not a winning. This is nothing. And the real winning is seems to be like you are happy and you are stage and you are not being happy by others selves. You are happy by yourselves, and nobody is doing that. It feels very wrong when you see the people that working so hard for their goals, but they are not achieving, they are not getting any results because they are trying to discipline, they are not devoted their work, they are not loving it. This is not winning for theirs to process, to live the process. They are not winning at that way, and at somewhere somehow they are trying to win at somewhere where they don't want to be win. They are trying to be happy at somewhere where they don't have to. I don't think so. It is my opinion. I don't think so anybody should like, anybody should follow this. But this is my following, and I'm winning at this life. I'm 16 and I'm doing whatever I want, and I'm winning for every single second stage. I don't care about what people are gonna say about me, but I'm definitely winning what I'm doing. I've won already, and I don't think so people are gonna teach me what do I have to do, because I have learned, I've taught myself by my own. And this is the winning that I have properly made. This is something that I have manifested. I'm gonna get it in 5 days. This is what I have done. And this is something which is people seems to be like difficult to do, because it is difficult. If your goal is not that important for you, then why you would put any efforts and energy to it? If you want to get somewhere, you have to put energy. When you put energy, you will get energy. You can't just get. You do have to put energy at somewhere so you can get it. If you want to give, if you want so much money, then you have to give money to somewhere. Even if it's $1 or something, you have to give it, then you will get it. Not it is something like you are gonna get by yourself by just putting it somewhere, and you are getting from just by working, from just gaining information. It's not how it works, bro. This is something that you should learn about. And people and the society were talking wrong about everything that I have ever found out in my life. And people are the worst kind of generation that I had, but I don't feel like it, because I am loving those people. Because insults make me break my attitude at any level I am, because I am feeling I am the cockroach of my own owl. This is something like a metaphor, okay? And right, when you feel that you are winning at somewhere, you have to feel it. You are winning a process. You are winning that whenever you are working in a day, you are winning, and that's about it. You If you are winning, then you have to put so much energy. You are loving those work. This is real winning, and people no need to see it. There's no way. And yeah, I have manifested and I have gotten it. I am winning. I have already won. I've already won.